Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to show you variables, input, output, and operators in Python. In Python's value and data can be given a name. For example, this string has the name text to print. You can interact with it just like a normal string by printing this variable. You also can use the variable to store numbers, but please remember that the input command to take the user input only getting a string. So you need to convert it into a number first. In this case, I want to convert it into an integer. After that, you can interact with these variables just like normal numbers. For example, you can do some operators on it. Let's try. The number A, 5, 4, and the number B, 2. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.